Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use workflows to automate your process in Labii LIMS. A workflow consists of an orchestrated and repeatable pattern of activity, enabled by the systematic organization of resources into processes that transform materials, provide services, or process information. Workflows can only be configured by administrators. If you are not, please contact your administrators. In this example, I'll create a new workflow. The workflow can be triggered manually or automatically. The trigger can be edited by clicking the Edit button. There are 4 triggers under the Events or Schedule field. Record created, triggered by the creation of a record. Record updated, triggered when a record is updated. Interval schedule, triggered by an interval schedule. Crontab schedule, triggered by an crontab schedule. Workflows can be triggered from the Add Record form. If you didn't see the Workflows field, you need to enable it in the table settings by changing Should Display Workflow to True. Use this function when 1. You want to execute workflows without triggers. 2. You want to execute workflows which already have a trigger but do not trigger when this form is submitted. You should not select the workflow that already has a trigger. If selected, it might end up running twice. Similarly, workflows can be triggered from the import form. If you didn't see the Workflows field, you need to enable it in the table settings by changing Should Display Workflow to True. After the import has been completed, select Workflows to be executed. For instructions on preparing import templates for workflow data, please refer to the import documentation. You can also trigger workflow by executing the action of a flowchart step. This can be done by setting the action of a step to execute workflow and passing the set of the workflow as a parameter. After setting up the workflow triggers, you can configure the workflow actions. Labii currently only supports the action of creating records. We will add more actions upon request. That's it for the workflows in Labii LIMS. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.